Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the new set of super coupons starting June 22nd. Let me repeat, starting June 22nd. So super coupons are still going on right now through the 21st, but the new round of super coupons are starting the 22nd. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And let's go ahead and jump in, starting with the Hercules Alert 15 amp, 66 pound, 1 1/8 inch hex breaker hammer with max vibration control, $530, $120 off, little bit less than 20%, but above our 15% minimum. Bauer 12-inch, 1 1/4 horsepower disc sander, $169.99, $30 off. Bauer 20-volt cordless 18-gauge brad nailer, tool only $80. Normally $120, $40 off. That's 33% off. Similar to what we see for Bauer, but great deal. More Bauer. Look at this. 7 amp, 4.5 inch slide switch angle grinder, $23, 23% off, normally $30. Grinding wheel sold separately. Bauer 10 amp, 1 1/8 inch SDS type variable speed rotary hammer, $80, $15 off. And then Bauer 10 amp, 4 inch by 24 inch variable speed belt sander, $69.99. Nice. Normally $80, only 12% off though, compared to Makita. And this one's compared to Milwaukee, and this is compared to Rigid. Nice variety. We continue. Hercules Alert again, 4 amp, 1/4 inch die grinder down to $60. Normally $70, 14% off, also compared to Makita. Bauer 4.5 inch diamond turbo cup wheel, $30. Normally $35, 14% off. My tool from my very own heart, Drill Master, aka HARBRO 2.4 amp trim router, $22. Normally $30, 26% off. And we have brand new Bauer 4.5 inch 24 grit type 27 metal grinding wheels 10 pack, $10. But normally $17, 41% off is an excellent deal compared to Diablo. Whether that's accurate or not, but still 41% off. Almost, well, that is good enough to at least take a flyer. Chicago Electric Power Tools, high-speed steel, rotary saw blade set, 6-piece, $8. Normally $11.50, 30% off. Hercules, again, the 12-inch 711 TPI multi-material demolition reciprocating saw blades, 3-pack, $10. Normally $13, 23% off. And we have some more Hercules here. A few Hercules alerts. Finger sanding backing pad for oscillating multi-tools, $8. Normally $10, 20% off. Then we have the Hercules 4.5 inch 24T general purpose circular saw blade at $10, 23% off. And then the Hercules Diamond Grit whole saw set, 3-piece, $20. Normally $28, 28% off. We keep going. More Hercules 4.5 inch bimetal hole saw, $23. Normally $27, 14% off. And then the Hercules T25 impact rated steel 1 inch and 2 inch star bit set, 8-piece, $5. Normally $7, 28% off compared to Milwaukee. We have some Grants 3-inch universal pads, 2-pack. Not Shakur. Did it, $7. Normally $9, 22% off. Available in heavy cut microfiber compounding, polishing, and finishing foam. We continue. More Grants. This is the 6-inch universal pads. That's more average. 3-inch, the motion of the ocean. But 6-inch universal pads, your choice of compounding, polishing, finishing foam, 1-pack, or the heavy cut microfiber 2-pack. Gotta hit them up. $8, normally $10, 20% off. Then we have the Central Machinery 30-inch 3-speed high pedestal high velocity shop fan down to $120. I think these were the same price during the parking lot days. Down to $120, normally $170, $50 off. And then the 24-inch 2-speed high velocity shop fan down to $120 as well, but only $30 off down from $150. This one compared to DeWalt, this one compared to Dayton. And then to round off, we have the new Central Machinery 24-inch wall mount fan, also down to $120, normally $150, $30 off. Moving on to some hand tools, we have the Doyle. Doyle Rules lifetime guarantee, 4.5 inch swivel vise with anvil and pipe jaws, $100, $50 off, 33% off. Decent, almost as good as the parking lot sale deals. Pittsburgh multi-bit precision screwdriver set, 34-piece, $7. Normally $11, 36% off. Compared to Titan, We have a Quinn Alert lifetime warranty, the 3/4 inch drive deep impact sockets at 8-piece, down to $60, normally $69.99. So it was a nice price, but only 14% off compared to Capri Tools, your choice of SAE or metric. More Quinn, 3/8 inch drive SAE metric spark plug socket set for 14-piece for $60, normally $80. So 25% off. Solid discount there on the Quinn spark plug socket set. Then we have an Icon Alert, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive professional deep e-torque socket set, 13-piece, $30, normally $40. So saving $10. Solid discount, 25% off compared to Snap-on. Then we have the 6-bit impact screwdriver set with case from Pittsburgh, of course, lifetime warranty, $6, normally $10, save 40%. And Pittsburgh again, a few Pittsburgh 36-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader, spread them, $6.99, normally $8, 12% off compared to DeWalt. Then we have the 60-inch aluminum F-style bar clamp, $15, normally $20, 25% off. And then the 5-inch C-clamp at $5, normally $6, 16% off. And more Pittsburgh. Look at this. Multi-use saw set, 11-piece, $13, normally $20, 35% off, solid. And then the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty, 3/16 inch by 3-inch slotted screwdriver for $1.50, 25% off, or the number 1 by 3-inch Phillips screwdriver, $1.49, normally $2, 25% off. On to some air tools and compressors. We have the Fortress 26-gallon, 175 PSI, ultra quiet, oil-free vertical shop auto air compressor, down to $350, $50 off. $80 off would be 20%, so just over 10%. Less than 15%. These air compressors rarely have good deals. They're always teasing us with some low discounts. Anyways, we continue. McGraw 21-gallon, 175 PSI, oil-free vertical shop auto air compressor, $240, normally $270, $30 off. And then we have the 8-gallon, 150 PSI oil-free horizontal shop auto air compressor, down to $140, normally $160, $20 off. And then the Pierce 15-degree professional coil siding nailer, $210, normally $230, $20 off. Central pneumatic 100-foot manual steel air hose reel, $20, normally $25, 20% off. Yeah, for most compressors, waiting for that 20 to 25% coupon makes the most sense. Even the 15% off coupon, because these discounts tend to not even be at the minimum of 15%. We continue. US General Alert 27-inch by 22-inch roll cab, $360, $40 off, normally $400. That is a measly 10% off. Yukon 48-inch workbench with light, $110, $10 off, normally $120 compared to Cobalt. The magnetic hook set 4-pack, $3, 40% off, normally $5. Storehouse 30-bin wall mount parts rack at $15, normally $20. And then the US General hanging tool cabinet, $90, only $10 off, only 10% off. Moving on to Badland, Apex 12,000-pound winch with synthetic rope and wireless remote, $530, $70 off. Then the Badlands EXR 5,000-pound UTV Power Sport winch with automatic load holding brake, $160, normally $180, $20 off. Another Icon Alert, the R134A AC manifold gauge set, 1-year guarantee, down to $160 from $200. That's $40 off. That's exactly 20% off. Pittsburgh's 2,000-pound low-profile transmission jack, $280, normally $380, $100 off. That's a great discount. Then we have a Pittsburgh 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack, $40, normally $60, 33% off. Then we have the 10-ton portable hydraulic equipment kit from Pittsburgh, $190, $70 off, normally $260. A Viking 170 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack, $160, normally $190, $30 off. With the Daytona Alert 2-ton professional racing series aluminum floor jack with rapid pump, $190, normally $230, $40 off, just under 20%. Then we have the Hallmaster 1,467-pound capacity 2-inch by 20-foot E-Track ratcheting tie down, $8, 33% off. Next, we have the Kenway 12-volt submersible LED trailer lights, 2-pack, $30, normally $40, 25% off. Hallmaster's 1.5-ton lever manual chain hoist at $110, normally $130, $20 off. 10-ounce compressed air, $5, normally $7, 28% off. Now we see a pattern also not available in Minnesota. HARBROs, tell me, why is this not available in Minnesota? They don't want you to buy a Chinese flag and they don't want you to huff some compressed air? Let me know. We keep going. Hallmaster ratcheting cargo bar, $20, normally $30, 33% off. The Badlands 60-inch farm jack, $80, normally $110, $30 off. The Hallmaster 5/8-inch trailer ball mountain lock with 2 keys, $849, normally $13, $34% off. With a Hallmaster 1/4-inch by 4-foot trailer safety chain at $7, normally $9, 22% off. More Hallmaster, the 5/8-inch rotating locking hitch pin with 2 keys, $8, 42% off. Some scrubbing towels, 72-inch, $13, normally $18, 27% off. With a Maddox manual bead breaker at $60, normally $90, 33% off. More Maddox, the trim panel scraper set, 12-piece, $15, 25% off. And Maddox real axle bearing puller set, 3-piece, down to $20, normally $30, 33% off. We have a 1-gallon tube sealant, $26.49, 24% off. And then Icon Alert again. This is the R1234YF AC manifold gauge set, down to $169.99, kind of nice. Normally $200, $30 off. We have Predator 25-foot by 10 gauge 4-prong twist lock 30A generator extension cord, down to $49.49, 10% off, only $55. The Vanguard 100-foot by 16 and 3 gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord, $25, 16% off. The Atlas 80-volt brushless cordless auger with 6-inch dual flue auger bit, tool only, $250, normally $290, $40 off. Niagara 4-gallon backpack chemical sprayer, $40, 16% off. Few Drummond here, 12-volt DC transfer pump, 290 gallons per hour, $48, normally $60, 20% off. The 1-horsepower portable sprinkler pump, 1,075 gallons per hour, $120, normally $140, $20 off. And the Drummond condensate pump, $50, normally $60, 16% off. Central Machinery 6-pound dual drum rotary rock tumbler, $50, 37% off. I've always wanted to get this. Maybe I'll pull the trigger now. 37% off is the highest I've seen. Quinn Electronics repair kit, 87-piece, $30, only $40, 25% off compared to iFixit. We will check. We're going to do a mini deep dive because iFixit, I have an iFixit kit, maybe not this exact one, but the iFixit, super high quality. And for a fraction of the price, let's see what people think. HARBROs, if you have this, let me know. 4.8 stars out of 5 is great. 99% will recommend. Only one picture. DIY electronic repair needs this kit. This kit has just about everything needed to disassemble or reassemble consumer electronics. If only used once, can't speak to the longevity, but a lifetime warranty is provided. Lifetime warranty, I don't know why you gave it 4 stars. Let's confirm warranty. Lifetime warranty. I think a fraction of the price of iFixit, but $30. Great coupon. 25% off. Vulcan 500-pound capacity heavy-duty large welding cabinet, $350, $50 off. Berger new TIG welding accessory kit, $69.99. Nice. Normally $80, 12% off. Then we have Central Machinery 3/8-inch to 2-inch ratcheting pipe spreader set, 10-piece, $75, 16% off. Doyle's heavy-duty ratcheting crimper, $20, 20% off. Doyle's 12-inch professional rafter square, $15.29, 10% off. Pittsburgh 6-inch torpedo level with magnetic strip, $179, 28% off. I was thinking of something else. Avanti airless paint primer and stain sprayer. One of the HARBROs sent me a testimonial via email saying how good this was for one of their industrial jobs. They bought it for that job and how great it worked. $200, normally $250, $50 off. And then the Black Widow Spectrum 0.3 millimeter, 0.5 millimeter gravity feed dual action airbrush, $60, 25% off compared to Iwata. And what do you wanna get from these super coupons? I feel like there's some decent ones. Love the iFixit compared toolkit from Quinn. Rotary rock tumbler at 30% off. Sounds like a lot of fun. But of course, as always, HARBROs, let me know what you think. We're coming off the parking lot sale. Allegedly, we got 7 days of deals coming up. We'll keep our eye out for those. But as usual, HARBROs, let me know what you think. Let me know which ones you will get. And as usual, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. Get us to 27,000 subscribers. We're only about 100 subscribers away. So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Join us on this journey that we're on. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.